Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a custom menu. By the way, a custom menu is a bit different from your regular site menu. Although you can choose which items you'd like to display and how you'd like it to appear, the items on your custom menu will not automatically update when you add new site pages. You'll then have to manually do that. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's learn how to add it to your Wix Harmony site. Click the Add button here on the top left. Click All, look for the menu category and select it. Here, select Create a Custom Menu, and a custom menu will then be added to your page automatically. Go ahead and position it wherever you want to place it. On the action bar above, click on Change Format. A small window will appear, and here you can select your preferred menu style. So you can choose from the standard menu bar or the hamburger style menu. If you choose the standard menu bar, you can also select your preferred orientation. And if you select the horizontal orientation, you'll then have two options to choose from for your item behavior. So you have fit to scroll and fit to text. And in order to add items to your menu, simply select your menu and click on Manage Menu at the top. On this small window, click on Add Item and select whether you want to add a site page or a link or anchor as your menu item. If you select page, simply select the pages you'd like to be added by ticking their corresponding checkboxes, and then simply click on Add to menu for them to be added here on your menu items list. If you want to add um, another type of item, just click on link or anchor here, and you can add in a page, a section, a web address, document, and so much more, depending on what item you'd like to add to your menu. And if you'd also like to change its design, just click on all design options here on the action bar above. Simply customize this however you want to. Once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved on the Wix Harmony editor. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.